I missed. Shit. So close. No.
I really even start?
I see on YouTube where they get basketballs and they overinflate them, throw them at the ground, they explode. So we're gonna try that today. Pause enough? Okay, cool. Oh, shit. Fuck. Shit. 1, 2, shit. This is getting ridiculous now. Help me. Oh. Fuck. Hey, how are you? Oh, oh. Sorry, I got butterfingers today.
Can I ask why you're taking photos or videos?
I'm trying to be cool, so don't you do that. Stop that. Inflate to 8 PSI. These are always a little bit off. I'm gonna try 80. What are you getting back for? Dodge it. All right, I'm just gonna try it. This is 40 PSI. What are you getting so far back for? Ready? Oh my gosh. We need some more air. That's 50. No. We're at 60 PSI right now. That's 70. Testing 70 PSI now. Oh, did it go near me? We found some people playing some ball right now, playing b-ball. They don't know what's about to go down. Who's ready to get swindled, boys? I call this the Under Armour. I missed. Shit. So close.
Now at this point the ball had already bounced twice, so I thought there was no chance that it was going to explode.
No.
Kind of.
Oh! Holy! Is that normal? What the fuck just happened? Throw yours in the air, as high as I did.
You bumped it too hard.
Who wants a free basketball?
Yeah, not that one.
First, yeah, three-pointer wins a free basketball. I'm like Mr. Beast, except cheaper. Oh! Okay, Goku. Oh. That's one basketball. We got the balls, boys. Who wants me to pump theirs up? I want to call you Goku.
Oh, Goku.
I like Goku.
Call me Mo.
Mo?
Mo.
Mo, I like it. Call me Pepe. Dude, I was myself when you ran over there. I was like, no. Did you pants?
Bro, straight up. Because I bounced off the fence and hit the ground and bang. I was like...
Gunshots fired. Do you just want to do one with me?
Nah, but we'll watch.
You watch?
Yeah, watch.
They're backing up. Right, we're at 40, boys. Why is everyone so far away? Oh, that's 70. Channel my inner LeBron. Kobe!
Keep your head in the game.
Oh, fuck, man. That's sick. Oh, shit. That's fun. Thanks for not dying, dude. 3 cinnamon, you said?
I will get the cinnamon.
Licked or unlicked? Unlicked. Unlicked?